Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. BTC dropped again, so today I'm gonna make a video on BTC again. In my previous video I have predicted the BTC that right now, until and unless we cross the 38,000, we can't say that anything is bullish. We need to break above the 38,000, 39,000. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the levels for you guys. So this is, mind you, this is on the weekly area. Okay, so in my every video I try to draw always a new levels from the beginning, so you guys can understand where I draw the levels. So if you take a look at this chart, where do you see the swing high candle? I'm gonna draw the swing high candle at this area. Okay, I have removed the other candles. Now if you take a look at here, what you gonna draw? I'm gonna draw the areas on this candle. One, I'm gonna make it bold. Okay, I'm gonna make it bold. One level. Okay, this is a high and this is the low. Okay, this is the swing high candle. Got it? This is the high and low. Now what is the next level? I'm gonna draw another around its body. This is the open and this is the close. Okay, the price made a swing high around this level, and it was back in 4th of January 2021. It made a swing high around the level of, I will draw the price here, 42,000. you see perfectly. So what you see here, this is the perfect swing high. Okay, perfectly tested 42,000, then came down and closed here at this area. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw another price level around, maybe around this area. Okay, this area, 38,173. okay, this level is very important. I'm gonna draw another level here at 33,000 and a next level around 27,000. so what do we have here? We have got four important zones. Okay, we have got four important zones: 38,000, 33,000, 27,000 and 42,000. this is on the weekly candle. Now I'm gonna move on. The next candle came down. Now I'm gonna move the next candle. This is on the daily. Okay, so I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna make it forward, quick forward move. Let me just make these price tags to be around from here, so you guys can easily read the price tags easily. Okay guys, to make it visible, I'm gonna delete these two price tags. Now the price, if we continue to move here we got another swing high. Got it? The price came up. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw a level around here, but this time I'm gonna make it yellow. I'm gonna make it dashed, this one and this one. Okay, so continue the price. I'm gonna play the candles, but I will draw the levels around this area so you guys can understand what the price is behaving like. Okay, the candles continued, and you see this candle. If we continue here, and now we have here, these are the levels. Okay, and if we take a look at here right now, the price tried to break this area, which was, this was the swing high candle. Okay, the price started from this area, opened from that area and closed at that area, that region. This was the opening area. Okay, you see here the price is testing this opening area of this swing high candle at 33,000. so this is a good support area because the candle was, it opened here, so we can say that this is a good support area. Now I'm gonna turn on to the daily chart for more clarification. Okay, So now we're gonna see we have these three important levels. We got 42, 38, 33,000 and 27 or 28, whatever you can call it. Now if we take a look, these are the major levels on the swing high candle. Let me zoom out a bit. Now if we take a look at here, you see from these two candles the price tried to break 42,000, and once we get down, this third candle came up, got rejected from the 42,000, and then we were in the downtrend again. Now if we take a look here, we see here we got multiple candles wicking 33,000 area. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a zone for proper, so we can easily, you know, mark the area around the levels. So we got multiple areas here. We got swing high candle, low one, and low high. Now this one, we can mark this one to be our, let me draw this area, this one. Okay, I'm gonna make it white. I'm gonna make it wild board. Okay, so now this would be, let me draw the price tag around this area. Okay, now we have got 33,800. Okay, now we have got another zone here. Now if we take a look at here, you see, what do you see? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times this level has been tested. 38,000 to, you see here, 38,000, 33,800 to 33,000. Okay, now this is our strong spot right now. Okay, now this is the swing high candle. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw another level around this swing high candle, this one. Okay, you see here, this, I'm talking about this swing high candle. There are multiple areas, guys. We have to, you know, draw each and every level just to get, you know, so that we can understand what the price is trying to do. Now we have got another level at this area, that is 39,000. Now for now, this area is very important, 39,500 or around this area. You see here, now we have got two zones. We got 39,500 and we got 33,000. Now what do you see here? If I draw a rectangle around this area, let me draw the rectangle. Just let me draw the rectangle around this area. What do you see, guys? What do you see? We saw price came down, came up, came down, came up. Now we expect the price might come back to this area. This is called the consolidation phase. Okay, this is the ranging market. This is what you call the ranging market. Neither the price is going down, neither the price is going, or nor the price is going up. Okay, up, down, up, down. It is like moving in the waves. Okay, now let us take a look at the volume. You see, this is the low volume indicates the market is ranging. If we could have seen, you can see here, this was the large volume candle, and once we broke down, this candle was the confirmation that we lost this level of 42,000, and after that the price and the volume was low, the price was in the consolidation phase. So you can see here the price is consolidating right now. You have to understand that this box shows that we are in the consolidation phase. We might need some strong confirmation if we draw some levels from this area. For example, this area, you can draw trend lines, and this one here, you see here the price, you know, it is moving inside this channel, it's moving inside this angle, triangle. Okay, so we might see some, you know, price move down, then up, then down, and then we might see a pump on the upside, a bullish move on the upside, or might be a downside move. But it has to be, you know, go either side. Right now the price is ranging. All you can do is you can place the, you know, during the ranging markets, what do you need? You need to do the scalping. That's it. Don't have to do anything else. Now, right now, what is the current scenario? If we take a look at this swing low candle, the price, you see here, the price came down, okay, tested the previous swing high, previous swing low, this one. Then the price came up, tested this swing high candle. Then again the next candle was in the these three candles were, you know, consolidating candles. Then again price came down, tested the previous swing low here. Then again the price came up, tested the previous swing high. Now again the price came down, tested this swing low. Okay, now what do you see? The price might came up to test this swing high, and from there we might see a retest at this level, and then a move up again to see this swing high, and a move down to say this high. So that's gonna continue like this. We might see a squeeze to this area, and from there we can see a breakout. For now we have these two areas, 39,000, 40,000 is an important area, and on the lower side the local resistance would be around, if I go back here and let me find something important here. If we take a look, this is the swing low candle. Let me draw the area around here. Let me find a, you know, perfect area. I have found something here. We can draw this area here. This is an important area. Let me go back and take a look at the front scenario. Just let me go back. Okay, this is the one candle, and this might be another swing low. If we take a look at this candle, this is the swing low candle, so I'm gonna draw a level around this area as well. So what do you see here? You see this candle got rejected from this area. Why this area? If I go back, okay, just go back and take a look at this candle, this one. This is the swing low candle. I have taken an area here at this area. Okay, I have taken the body of this candle. So if I take, there are multiple zones. You can see there we have rejection from this area, this area, this area. Okay, and also we have got rejections from this area as well. So there are multiple areas. That's why, you know, prediction of BTC is the hardest one. This is the hardest one. We have to draw multiple areas, multiple levels in order to predict the BTC. It's not an easy task, guys. BTC is the most hard to predict. We have to look multiple areas. So you see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, then this candle 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times this level has been already tested. This at this area it was tested as a support, at this area it was tested as a resistance. Now at this area it is being tested as a support level. What happened when 4 times it was tested? The level was broken, then went up. What happened after it was tested as a resistance? Level broken, went up. Now it is again going down, tested multiple times. Now we might see a move down to this level. We might see a downward movement, and then again we're gonna test this area and then a move on the upside. So this is basically consolidation ranging market. The price, you know, the market is deciding in which direction it needs to go. But we might find some consolidation for a few days, and after a few days we might see some breakout on the upside or on the downside. It's gonna depend on the candlestick. Here you can see the volume in the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. The volume is remaining the same. So this is consolidation, guys. We need some strong volume for this level to get broken. You see here, if we take a look at here, this candle was trying to break the 40,000, but the volume was very low volume. Here this candle tried to break, and you see the volume, very low volume. Again this candle tried to break and it moved up. You see more volume, it moved up, tried to break but wasn't able to break. Here at this green candle it tried to break, but the volume was you know, it was not that much, so it moved to that level. So now we need some strong volume in order for the price to move up. Okay guys, once we get the BTC gets stable, then we can see a rally in the alts, either on the upside or in the downside. So right now the price is fluctuating in between 35,000 900. So we have found a support around 36,000. okay, if 36,000 gets broken, then we might see a retracement back to 33,000, 34,000, this level. Okay, 34,000. So 36,000 is an important level right now. If we break below, the price is gonna test the 34,000 level. If it goes above, we might see another retest or a test at the 39,500, or around this trend line we might see a test at 38,000. so there are multiple levels, guys. So I have tried to explain everything, what is the current scenario. So this is the BTC price analysis for you guys. I think the video is long, so take care, bye.